Hi everyone, welcome to K4 Craft. Today we are going to make some basic greeting cards. We will need paper quilling pen, craft glue and circle sizer. I'm taking 1/4 of one sheet and I'm taking a long paper quilling strip and I'm quilling a coil. I'm opening the coil to a bigger number on the circle sizer. Now I'm giving it a bent teardrop shape. I'm taking half of a paper quilling strip and quilling a coil. I'm opening it up to a smaller number on the circle sizer. I'm again giving it a bent teardrop shape. We will need 2 of each. Again, I'm quilling a coil. I'm giving it a bent marquee shape. Now I'm quilling a coil. Now I've taken a strip and folded that into half. And I've made a V scroll. I'm applying glue on the inside part so that the V scroll stays in place. I'm also making sure the V scroll is same height on either sides. We will need 2 of the marquee coils. Now I've taken 1/4 of a sheet and I'm quilling a coil. I'm giving marquee shape to the coil. We will need 5 of these petals and one tight coil. Here I've taken one more strip and I'm quilling half of this quilling strip and I'm giving a curved shape on other half of the paper quilling strip from the paper quilling pen. We will need 2 of these swirls. After I've glued the flower to the paper, I'm placing the swirls in middle of the petals. Now I've taken 1/4 of this sheet and I'm quilling a coil. After which I'm giving it a teardrop shape. We will need 4 of these petals. Now I've taken another paper quilling strip and I'm quilling a coil. I'm giving this coil a marquee shape. I've taken half of a paper quilling strip and I'm gluing this to the paper as the stem. These are some basic cards. Thank you for watching.